Hello, I'm Ignacio Rodriguez and I am a financial analyst at ID Energy Group. Today, we want to talk to you about a unique investment opportunity to help us drive the energy transition in Hungary. Following our recent success with Enerfip campaigns, we are once again relying on committed citizens like you to refinance 6 operational photovoltaic assets. These solar parks have a total capacity of 7 megawatt peak and are already up and running, generating clean energy every day. This new issuance aims to raise 2 million as a first tranche, within a financing of 4 million structured across 2 tranches. These simple bonds we are offering have a term of 18 months, an annual interest rate of 8% and senior ranking. The guarantee is solid. 100% of the shares of Apatita Solar SL, the project owner, are pledged in favor of the investors. Imagine you have 100,000 euros. With these bond characteristics, 18 months and an 8% annual interest rate, after the first year, you'll be receiving 8,000 euros. After another 6 months, you'll be reimbursed with the 100,000 euros you invested, plus 4,000 euros as interest. Thus, in total, you'll be earning 12,000 euros in 1.5 years with an investment of 100,000 euros. With Enerfip, you can invest from as little as 10 euros. It's easy, secure, and transparent. Your investment will be repaid at the end of the term, and interests are paid annually. Additionally, you will be investing in real operational assets with a clear refinancing or sale strategy in place. Take this opportunity to give value to your savings while investing in a greener future. Invest in solar energy in Hungary and with ID Energy Group. Thank you for joining us in this journey towards a real energy transition.